video, back. And today I am in another setting. This is not my normal setting. I am in my kitchen. So guys, today I know I told you guys I never show you guys how I make lip gloss. I never, cause Popeyes don't get a recipe. Popeyes don't do this. Popeyes don't do that. But y'all, you know what? I love y'all so much. Like, y'all really got me to 20K. Y'all show so much love. Y'all show so much love on my entrepreneur videos, everything. So I said, you know what? I'm about to surprise y'all. I know it's a lot of girls that want to do what I do. A lot of girls want to start a lip gloss company but don't know how to do it, don't know how to go about doing it. It's so much money in this world, and I'm willing to share with you guys today something that I've been working on. So I'm all about being different. I'm all about trying new things. I'm all about fulfilling my customers' needs and things like that. So you know what? I made all of these glosses here. We got Pink Shine. If some of y'all don't know, it's one of my newest colors. We got Gold Days. It's very cute and shimmering. One of my absolute faves, Rosa Dior. And then we got us some Tutti Frutti. So I was already making my glosses, and I was like, you know what? Oh my gosh, it's a lot of people dealing with anxiety. It's a lot of people that got chapped lips. It's a lot of people that have restless nights, like who need sleep. So I said, you know what? I make lip gloss. Why not do a lavender and jasmine essential oil type lip gloss? Like, what? So y'all, this is literally me right now, my purest form. This is how I look making glosses. Don't judge me. I'm here to work. I hope you guys already got y'all products ready. I don't advise everybody to steal exactly what I'm doing, you know, to copy it, because this is something that came from the dome, and I just felt like I just share it with you guys. But I want you guys to see me like trial and error. I want y'all to see me make this gloss. This is my first time making it, and I wanted to do it with you guys. So without further ado, before you even get into the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and like. I love y'all. Let's get right into the freaking video. So before you even start, you need to make sure that you have on a pair of gloves. This is all about sanitation. This is all about people trusting you to do this from, you know, for them, and you're doing this stuff at home. You need to be sanitized at all times. So before anything, pop on your gloves. Boom, my hands are already washed. Hey, I got my gloves on. So you want to make sure that you have a clean bowl, a clean plastic bowl. You want to make sure that your stuff is sterilized and it's clean. You want to make sure that you have clean syringes. You want to make sure that you have clean pipettes, a fork or knife, whatever you want to use to start. You want to make sure that you have your ingredients, everything, dried up flowers, your ingredients, the things that you want to use, your essential oil. I'm using lavender. And then of course you want to make sure that you have your gloss tubes with the labels already on, because if you put them on after, it kind of gets very messy and sticky. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Top ingredient is your gel, is your Versagel. That's what it's called. It's called Versagel. And you want to make sure that you have this. This is actually the lip gloss base, and you want to make sure that you have this. You cannot do this without having this lip gloss base. So I'm just going to stand up and pretty much show you guys. So in your clean bowl, you want to make sure that you're squeezing in a decent amount. So I'm only going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 glosses. So you want to make sure that you're squeezing. You want to make sure that you're squeezing enough in there. This might be fine to get us started. So we want to make sure that we're squeezing about this much in there. It's very thick, so you want to go ahead and give it a little swirl, give it a little swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl. Okay. All right, so we're good with that. So now what we're gonna do next, of course, is we're gonna put our essential oil in, because we want to make sure it's smelling good. So lavender is pretty strong, so I'm only gonna put about 2 to 3 drops in here. You don't want to overdo it, then it'll get too powerful. You don't want all of that. So about 1, 2, 3 drops. That's all it takes. 3 drops. Close it back up. Close it back up. We're gonna take some pure castor. That's what we want to do. We want to put some pure castor in there. We want to moisturize these lips. So pretty much when I'm doing mine, I like to eye my stuff. I know some people like, why would you just eye it? You might get it wrong. No, I have been making lip gloss for 2 years now. I eye it, I know my consistency by heart, and that's just that. So I'm only gonna put a little in there. We wanna make sure that this is mixed together. And as I'm talking, y'all, I'm all the way up here and I got the bowl all the way over here. I am not talking on this. You do not wanna talk on this. So I'm starting it up just like that. It's still a little thick, so if it's still a little thick, you wanna make sure that you're applying just a little bit more castor, because this is definitely not the consistency that we're looking for. This is way too thick. So no, we're just gonna apply more in there. Okay, babes. So now that we got kind of the consistency that we want, we're just gonna close up our gel because we don't need this anymore. We don't need this right now. And we're just gonna put that to the side. We no longer need it. I'm the type of girl, like, I like to clean as I go because I don't like to make a huge mess. And when dealing with lip gloss, you can make a huge mess. Just like here, I like to clean off my table first, then put a trash bag down just to eliminate any grease stains on my glass table. So I have my shea in here. I'm mixing that in. I'm mixing that in until everything is dissolved and everything is purely in here. All right, guys, now to the fun part. So we're gonna go ahead and take our jasmine. So our jasmine pieces are a little bit bigger. So what we're gonna do is just put a couple in my hand, just like this. So jasmine looks like this. Jasmine flowers look like this. Typically, they're just white, like an off-white color. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tube and literally just like place the jasmine inside of it, just like that. So we're literally gonna sit here and place the jasmine leaves in here, or any flower y'all wanna do. Literally just place it inside, just like that. Like, it's super easy.
Today, you wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even want to bring up the past. That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing.
Alright, babe, so we already got our jasmine and stuff out. So now we're gonna put some of these lavender flowers inside of our bowl, just a few, and then we're gonna go ahead just like that, and then we're gonna just stir it up a little. So it should kind of look like this. So now we're gonna go ahead, take our syringe, and so put it in there, and literally just watch the lip gloss go up. Just like that. Simple. Take our pipette, put it on like that, wipe off the excess. Some people don't use a paper towel. I do. It just helps me out more. I fold it, cover it like this, and hold it just like that. So basically that's just all I do. Go ahead, take your lip gloss, and literally just put it in there like this. So as I go, I'm just gonna add some jasmine, put it down, add some more lavender. So it looks pretty much like this, like a lavender and jasmine gloss. And the whole purpose of this gloss is to help with stress, anxiety, nervousness, help you sleep better, things like that. So you can wear it at night, you can wear it during the day. That's it. Add some more jasmine, add some more, boom. So I actually like it. Like, I thought it was gonna be a fail, but you see the lavender, you see the jasmine, and it's gonna keep the lips moisturized because you got the castor and the shea in it. So this is like a perfect combination. See, it's really cute. I might have a new fave. I might just have a new fave. So take it halfway, add your jasmine, fill it back up, boom. That's it. That's it. So it has like some purple tints in it from the lavender. I wish it was like a tad bit more purple, but it's okay because it still looks cute and it still has purpose to it. So it's all good. Add some more jasmine. There we go. And y'all see, like, if you just hold it like this, that way it won't get sticky or nothing. So it just helps me more when I'm doing it. Y'all, this is cute. I don't know about y'all. Y'all gotta see it in person. Like, it looks really nice. It looks really nice. So I got that one, and I got like the rosa one that has like the red roses inside. And I also have like the lemon one. So yeah, that's it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, finish it up. This is how they look. The jasmine and the lavender all in there like that. This is how they look. This is how they look. Y'all tell me in the comment section what y'all think. Let me see. This is how it looks. The lavender and then the jasmine. I positioned the camera weirdly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close out. I'm pretty much done, so don't worry about my hair touching the table. I'm done making glosses. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this new gloss. I wish you guys could smell it. Smell just like lavender, so soothing and just a bomb, okay? But yeah, y'all, it will be dropping today, and the gloss you can get on my site. But like I said, just let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I love y'all. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video.